Hi guys, welcome back. Princess Upai here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Before we get right into this video, I just need you guys to do me a little favor by clicking the subscribe button down below and liking this video, leaving your comments and sharing this video as well. Just show me some love, okay? And yeah, with that guys, we'll get right into this video.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead.
So guys, I'll be starting with my RIMMEL Stay Matte Primer to prime my face. Then I'll use my Essence Mattifying Primer. This is just to lock in the oil on my face. Then I'll be using my Mary Kay foundation on my face. You guys already know my routine, so I'll spray on some setting spray to just kind of lock in this foundation and blend again. Then I'll take my LA concealer in the shade Toffee to highlight my face, and I'll blend. Then I'll take my LA concealer in the shade Espresso to contour my face. You guys already know. Then I'll take my SACHA Buttercup setting powder to just kind of set my face. Then I'll take my my Mary Kay powder in the shade Bronze 2, and I'll use it to set the contour areas. Then using my WIBO brow pomade, I'll just use it to draw on my brows. Then I'll take my DIVAGE brow fix gel and just set my brows. Now I'm going to take my LA concealer in the shade Toffee to just clean up my brows. I'll take my SACHA setting powder to set my eyelids and also set my under eyes to catch any excess eyeshadow that falls off. So first I'll be going in with the orange. Then I'll use this. I'll blend it into the orange. Then I'll take this this brown and apply it here. It's kind of grayish brown. Just apply a little bit of it here. Then I'll take this pink and mix it with the brown. I needed it to be a little bit darker, so that's why I added the brown in the first place. Then I'll take this for right here, just like a base color for this place. Then I'll take this glitter pink and put it on this base I made here. Then I'll take this glitter and use it for my inner angle here. Just highlight it. Now it's time to dust off all this excess powder. Then I'll take this green for my lower line. Just give it a pop of green. Then I'll take my NYX gel eyeliner to line my eyes. Then I'll use my mascara from Maybelline. I'll use this shade as a blush. I'll spray on some setting spray on my brush just to make the highlighter pop more. And I'll use this as a highlighter. Then I'll take my ELF lipstick, my ELF lipstick to just apply it to the corners of my lips. I'll kind of use it to line my lips a little bit. Then I'll take my FOCALLURE lipstick in the shade Chestnut and I'll apply it to this middle part of my lips. I'll blend with my lip brush. And finally, I'll spray on my LA Girl Pro setting spray on my face. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.